Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to build a simple pen holder from scrap wood. The wood I use is bubinga and maple. I start by cutting the thickness of the pieces to 1.5 centimeters. Then I cut the width to 4.5 centimeters. I now have two pieces that measure 1.5 by 4.5 centimeters. I cut these two pieces lengthwise so that I get two pieces of maple and three pieces of bubinga, all 9.5 centimeters long. I glue four of the five pieces together. Every other bubinga and maple. Time to drill some holes. I start by drilling a hole that is 3 centimeters in diameter. I drill the hole 0.75 centimeters from one short side and centered so that the hole ends up 0.75 centimeters from both long sides. Then I proceed to drill 6 holes with a 12 millimeter drill, 2 rows with 3 holes in each row. I use a pillar drill, but you can also drill freehand. I carefully smooth the edges of the small holes with countersink. Then I glue the last piece to the bottom of the block. I round off all sharp edges, and then sand with 320 grit paper by hand until I get a smooth surface. When all the sanding is done, I apply a layer of protective varnish, but you can also use oil or wax if you want. This is what it looks like when it's finished.